So we got now a F-150. It's a 2019 F-150 with about 62,000 miles. It looks in pretty good condition. Can't even lie. You know, as far as the exterior, minor blemishes right here on the side. Fog lights good, headlights good, front bumper no real damage. You have minor scrapes here, but you know, I get sent to the body shop. It's not a deal breaker. Pretty nice looking truck. I like the color scheme though. This blue is a very nice blue. I realized that they use it a lot on the Mustangs. Even the Mustang truck, I believe, come in this color. Got not a deep crack, but inside crack. Got parking sensors. For some reason on these F-150s, the tail lights are always cracked. Or if the tail lights are not cracked, it's water. It's water leaking inside of it. That's the common issue that I see. It's a common issue that I see on F-150s, you know. Damaged tail lights, not really damaged, but cracked, or you know, water leaks inside the tail light. Go ahead and open these doors up from the inside out. You know how I do it. It's the best way to check if the inside door handles are functioning properly. Seat folds up and down. Checking the seat belt. Nice interior though. I mean, it's nothing. It's not leather or anything, but has a nice little stitching in the middle. So, let me wipe my camera off a little bit. It looks a little dusty. Hopefully that helps. Yeah, much better. Sorry about that, y'all. Didn't realize. So, go ahead and start my inspection process. I'm gonna go ahead. So first, I like to walk around, you know, get an overall view. Make sure the body is good, the paint is good. Then I start 30 seconds in the back. Say about 7 in the front. So we got 6 in the rear, 7 in the front. I'll grab my flashlight so I can take a look at these brakes. Okay, they're good. 7 in the front, 6 in the back when it comes to the brakes. I'm gonna go on this side to check the front brakes, because the way I have the wheel turned on this side makes it a bit easier. Well, this tire is 430 seconds. Yeah, front brakes are good, rear brakes are good. And check those in and out door handles. Well, somebody destroyed the pull that you pull on to release the seat. So I'm gonna have to write that in my report. Pretty much get it looked at and fixed. I might go ahead and play around with it to get the seat to go down, but I'll let you know. But yeah, that's pretty much it. About to get ready to do my test drive. I'm gonna do my paperwork, do my test drive, and we should be able to, move on to the next vehicle. So guys, I just wanted to, well, everyone, ladies and gents, but I wanted to just give a little feedback on. So I said I was gonna look into it a little bit. So as you can see, there's a little lever right here. I don't know if you can see that. It's a lever right here. And pretty much it pulls up. So pretty much this goes in around it, and then it's like a pin that goes through here. It hooks here, and then it runs up through here like that. So when you pull, it pulls this up to let the seat come. Show y'all. Pull up, seat comes down. So there you go. And just like that, sometimes all you got to do is just take a look, observe it, observe what you see. And that's all I pretty much did. I observed what I see. I've seen this little lever here that works with the mechanism for how the seat goes up and down. And I followed it, traced it to something that looks as if it's a lever or something you can pull or touch. And there you go. So all I do is just ride it up and let one of my technicians look at it. And, find a fix for it. We probably put like a pin or something in here. I'm not gonna order a part or nothing. We're just gonna fix it in-house. But yeah, I just wanted to show y'all pretty much. It's not really steps to it. It's just more of, knowing that there's supposed to be a lever here that this pulls onto. Identifying the mechanism, which is what makes the seat go up and down. And, just finding the source. I mean, it was kind of a no-brainer. But yeah. And then, of course, taking a look underneath the hood. The usual, just checking. This is a 2.7. I believe it's a 2.7 turbo, yeah. You can see the turbo back there. I don't know if you can see that, but turbo is like right down in there. 2.7 turbo. I thought this would have been the 3.0 turbo. 3.0 turbos are nice. They're pretty quick. I love the way they feel. I'm not gonna lie. That Ford 3.0 turbo, whew. Or is it a 3.5? I think it was a 3.0 turbo. V6. But it runs really nice. I don't know about the 2.7 though. But the 3.0s I do know. Alright, about to do my test drive. Talk to y'all later. Well, not later, but on the next vehicle.